What's good, bro? Hollywood. Also known as the real Hollywood, since I'm called that a lot. Yo, you the real Hollywood, I guess. So, yeah. So, back to, my other video. I talked about, my brother and, being brought up by, basically watching him, around these women and the drugs and the money and the cars. And I wanted to be that, not having my father around, it wasn't really like, I had other options or anything like that. I just saw the glitz and the glamour of being, who this person was, and I wanted that. I wanted every piece of that. I wanted to be exactly, like this man. And it's not really a bad thing, but it came bad when it came to women. When I fell in love, I really didn't know how to accept love, because I always thought like, damn, like, you're cheating on her, or she must be cheating on you, or that's how love goes. You cheat and the woman's always going to come back, or, you disrespect them, they're always going to come back. Learning the hard way, it's like, damn, like, I've only been in love one time in my life, and y'all know who that is. And it's just crazy that, we can hurt somebody so much and expect them to just come back and expect them to just be, that same person they were with you when you were doing this stupid shit. And it's just like, we don't really understand, the impact of I'm saying, our relationships we have with strangers, with family, with friends, especially with kids. We are their role models. We are the people they look up to, and we may not know it at that time, but the same instinct. It's like we are what they want to be. It's not about BET or looking at this person, that person, like I want to be like that. Like, you want to be exactly who you're around a lot. And that's what it is, and that's what it was. Like, I wanted to be this man because it just seemed like he had everything. But having everything mean he meant nothing, And sometimes that's what it is. Like, having everything also means that you don't have shit. And that's what it came down to, So I think we need to pay more attention to who we are, around, kids and teens and stuff like that, because they're impressionable. Even as adults, we're impressionable. We see something on TV, what do we say? Oh, I want my hair like that. I want my tattoos like that. I want to be like this and this and this. We follow trends. So we are impressionable as well. So I want to be, that person where it's like, I did this because of you, but I want it to be on a positive note. I don't want to see, I don't want to sit there and be like, well, I left my girl because blah, blah, blah. Like, nah, I want it to be to the point where it's like, you stop doing dumb shit so that you can save your relationship. You stop doing dumb shit so you can get your ass out of where the fuck you are now. You stop doing dumb shit so you can get a better job. I want it to be the more empowering things in life. The shit that we don't really pay attention to. The shit that we think is just like, nobody cares, nobody's paying attention. I'm paying attention. And you should pay attention as well, because, we only have one life. You're going to live that shit doing the stupid shit and still waking up not happy. I don't want to be like that. I want to go to sleep with a clear conscience. I want to wake up the same way. And that's what I'm striving to do now. These past few months being by myself and, almost the past year being without my family, it really taught me how to be a more independent person, a more spiritual person, a more understanding person, not only with myself, but with others as well. And being by yourself, you learn a lot. And I mean a lot. So I don't know, people. We need to get it together. Because it's the shit that we're doing, the shit that we're going through, we got to do better, And I'm here to tell you, watch me, watch my progress. Because I'm damn sure on the road to some progression, of course, always. So yeah, hit me. motivationalwood@gmail.com. My website is back up. Like this YouTube, share it, do what you do, show love. Because I always show love. Alright?